morning, traders. Ness here with Daily Profits. Today is Monday, July 6th. And as you can see, the overall account balance is at $6,387. So I have a little bit more buying power than Friday. And this morning, I'm thinking of sizing up in regards to positions. Instead of buying 1,000 shares, I can buy 2 or more, and that is my thought process for the morning. But we will see. Before I do, I need to build a nice cushion for myself first. There's a couple stocks moving this morning. One is MRIN. Beautiful move for MRIN on Friday. Now it's just consolidating, running to pre-market high of 26. It closed at 20 on Friday. Now it's consolidating around. It hit 26.73 this morning, early in the mornings. Now it's just consolidating around this VWAP. My buy point will be break of 24.80. And I have to see volume come into it. So it's my buy point right here. So as you can see, did a big move, pull back, consolidate on Friday. Is this move on Friday here? Back, and then popped up again, and then it's pulling back. So this to me screams a flag. So we want to see where it wants to go. So I'm looking for the break of it of 24.80 for continuation. As you can see, a lot of people are watching it already. So if it pops, you should get a nice move pre-market. And I'm also watching BLIN. See, BLIN closed at $8.97 on Friday. Now it's up three whole dollars. So see the consolidation here, but I'm looking for a pop above this level here of 1280-ish. I'll be a buyer around 1260 for continuation. And BSQR, OSAT is moving now. 90 was the high for it. It's moving, but it doesn't have the volume behind it or the spread for me to be that much interested in it. So I will wait sideline. And BSQR is the second leading gapper in the markets after BLIN. So as you can see, it pulled back. It has a consolidation area around this level here, and it's a source of restriction on it. About 12 million share float. Let me see if you. No news came out this morning, but on the daily, it looks very interesting on the daily. It had a big green candle on Tuesday of last week. and then pull back 3 candles, 3 red candles, and now you're seeing it's so I think this is the first green candle to make a new high on a daily, which might give you a nice push, maybe even for the break of 8 on this one, but that is a if, so we will see what it wants to do. Consolidating around here, if you hold support and push back up, I would want to buy around these levels right here, 560 to 580, for continuation. So that's why I have my eye on that one. And CTSO, the stock that really moved this morning. I was watching it, I saw it here, and then FDA approval, good news, and it is on the high side of floats with 38 million, but I'll watch it when the market opens. If it start breaking higher, I'm definitely going to be a buyer, and I'll jump in for the move up. Other than that, that is all I have for this morning. And just waiting to see which one is going to provide a good move. Alright, pause it now. Let's see if it can break 25. Becomes 25. If it breaks 25, next level we're looking at is around 2580. See if we get a continuation. So this is the next level we'll be looking at for a break. It started to get some volume into the trade already. So let's say we get a break of 50, break 25.50 now. We get continuation here. So bar pullback. See if this bar right here is continuation. So it continues, needs to break above 25.48 in order for continuation to happen. So let's see if we can do that. Resistance is at 20 now. It's consolidating around that level. Let's see if 225 can be support. Push it back up. Okay, big green bar, held support. Let's see if we get that continuation here on this bar. Needs to break above 50, 25, 50 level. So big green bar. 43, 45. You get continuation. 47, 50. 4. So next level for it is 80. It needs to break above 60 now. It needs to hold above support. It could do this. We definitely want that continuation to take place. Pre-market high was 26.73. Break of 25.80 will definitely give you a break of 26. So let's see what happens here. Resistance at 25.60 now. So what we need to do is we need to break above 50 for continuation. I'm just watching this action right here. We need some more volume accumulation in order to move higher. It needs to break above the 60 level for continuation. It was 60 right here, 62. Buyers are coming in. 70, 71. Okay, let's see, we get a break 85. Here goes 80, 90. So 26. We're gonna go for 26. 26.73 was the pre-market high. So let's see if we can take that. 26. Here goes 26. 26.12. Here it goes. 26.18. 26.73 was the high. 26.20. We get continuation here. 24. 28, 30, 37, 40, 47. 73 is the high. Let's see if we can break it. It needs to break above 50 now. Needs to break above 50. 673 was the pre-market high. I truly believe it's going to test that level. It's going to break that level. And you can definitely get a move up to 27 if it breaks 73, because 73 is a resistance area. You have a lot of sellers around the area, and then once it breaks, they're going to buy their shares back, and it's just going to push the stock up a little bit more. So let's see if we can get that continuation here. So it needs to break above 50. Comes 48. I saw 48. C45, 48, here comes 50, 5-minute candle, 50, break of 50. Okay, here we go. 73 is the high, 64, 70. Okay, break of 75. Okay, continuation. 90. You get that continuation. $79, $89 is the high right now. Comes 27, 27.30. So you can continue 27.30. 27.30 is resistance. 32, 40, 27.40. Taking some of my shares off the table right now at 27.40. Have half left now. 27.50. See, we'll break 50. Here goes 50, 57. Beautiful move. $27.30. So $27.66 was the high. Let's see if we get continuation. I'm exiting all my position right here. So made about $2,300 on just this move alone. Beautiful. So now, since it's pulling back, I needed to rest, and I'm going to play the pullbacks. But I'm playing MRIN first. Line at 42. So we get continuation. stop is at 10. Taking an exit here. One nice little false breakout right here. Alright, now it's pulling back. That is very healthy. Small A, B, C, D pattern, but you didn't get the continuation. Fine. Let's get a bigger one. Wow, MRIN pullback, BLIN. We're going to break 13. Watching them around the same level again. Get a push back around 30 to 40s level, I'll definitely be a buyer again. But a retest of the highs. More eyes are going to be on this. This is the real pullback from this move. Letting it pull back. You can get a really nice 4-bar play on a 5-minute. break back above 27, I think is definitely a buy for me. Gotta wait for a new 5-minute candle to open up and see if we have some more buyers coming into the market. As you see, it's only 8:23, so there is still so much potential, I would say, for this one to keep going a bit higher. I think it got $3 more into it. I mean, in it, at least break of 30. Oh, look, as you can see. All right, here comes the move. Let's see if it can break 20. Big pop. Your 5-minute candle's about to open up. Buying for the break of 40 also, if we can break above 40. Not getting another false breakout. Man. Right. Two false breakouts in a row. So it's better for me to catch it near the top. One for the break of 40, find at 45, for a move up. I think it's better that way, so I can get confirmation that it wants to continue higher. Got caught this false breakout, this fake out. So 2 fake outs in a row. BLIN popped. Beautiful move. towards the high, up 30. This is at 25. Buying for the break of 30. And then I'll add for the break of 50. And I'll add for the break of 50. See if we get continuation. I'm gonna hold on this pullback here. So we get a nice pop with the high. See 40. Break even trade. MRIN for the break of 50. Still break 66. Selling here. Bought at 51, sold at 76. And here goes continuation. 28, and break 28. Yeah, bro, 28. BLIN. It has potential. Pre-market high 64 for it. So the question is, where's the buying? Okay. I want to buy for the break. I I'm gonna buy for the break of 45. Wow. CXI. Break 50. Buying for the break at 50. They get continuation. $50. I'm looking for continuation. Yeah. False breakout. Come on, man. I'm gonna hold for the retest though. See if we can get a retest. Let's see if we get a retest. Again, 57, 64. Here we get that pop in continuation. 58, 60, 3, 5. 70. Unless I'm at 70 also. Got 500 shares left. It could break 14. $85 is the high. Break 85 and get a nice, beautiful continuation towards 14. Get that done. I'm holding here. Hold it, hold it. 85 retest. See it get pushed. It's a low float, so this baby can move. See 90. Okay, 91. Holding the remainder of my shares for the breakout. 14. 95. $97, $99, so break 14. Alright, rejection candle at the top, and not all my shares. Alrighty, not too bad. BLIN is the leading gapper in the markets. Above 95 is a buy for me. Break of 14. Just keeping an eye on it. Just letting it pull back. Consolidate. We have a couple of rejections here, one here, and this one just rejected. So it'll be good if it can pull back and consolidate around these areas for A, B, C, D pattern type of move before continuation. That would be really nice if it can do that. And still watching MRIN on my other screens. BLIN does have room to roam. 15. The 15 will be a 2-year break. And has room all the way up to 30 in regards to resistance. So this baby can move. Definitely keeping an eye on this one. Pullback is perfectly normal for a strong stock. About to open up. Some really good plays in hand. Have MRIN, OSAT, BLIN. I think OSAT can definitely do a gap and go. So watching this one out the gates first. Push down, looking for the break of 9. They get break of 9. We're holding right now. Goes a break of 9, 905, 910. You get no continuation. Goes 9 again. Exiting. Definitely looking for a red to green on this one. So everything is pushing down at this moment right now. Buy point is around 890. Was expecting for a gap and go setup on this one, but it did not. So let's see if a red to green move could take place. Break above 890 is a buy for me. Let's see, get that move. Okay, 12.25 is the high. Let's see if we can break it. Comes 25. Get on my shares here at 12. Look at this. Can you get continuation? And you got continuation. Man, this sucks. I was expecting that red to green move. Just need some really good volume. Yeah, I know. Yes. I'm keeping the eye on CLSD also for the break of 7. Let's see if BSQR can get a continuation here. 70. My buy point is around 75, 78. Buying for the break of 80. So we get a break of 80 here. Now I want to get caught in the flush here. Let's see, we get continuation. About at 79. 75 is resistance. Let's see if we can break back above it and get a continuation here. $70 support. Let's see if we get a push. I'm selling here at 70 because I don't want to get a flush. Alrighty. Okay. Buying at 80. You get continuation. 80. Let's see, a good break 90. $87. Come on, baby. 87, 88. $89. Here we go. All right. Basically, back break even. Only made $2 off of it. Made all my profit back. Looking for about a 10-cent move. So giving it some time. New 1 minute candle. Usually the better setup is it's test 6, it pulls back, and then the next test, you know, is a very ideal environment for a break. So pull back, test 6 again. So the next test is an ideal move for a break. Looking for the retest of 608, which is the pre-market high. Which is the high of the day. Alright, buying for the break of 6. I'm buying 2,000 shares for the break of 6. You 5-minute candle. Let's see, we get continuation. Here we go, nice move. See, we couldn't get continuation. Five, 6 or 7. Beautiful move. Sold everything at 610. Beautiful break. $200 off that break. And that could, I was just about to say that could be continuation. As you can see, Okay. Beautiful continuation move. But it's alright. Alrighty, up 26.35 for the day, pausing for now. Hello traders, Nessie with Daily Profits, and today was a good day in the markets. As you can see, it started off pretty strong with MRIN, made over $2,000 on it. So it was a really good stock, and I was watching it as it was trying to break early in the markets, and then and as you can see, it fell and then bounced back. So pre-market for MRIN is really good because that's the beginning of the move, and then you get good continuation. So I started watching it around these areas, and as it broke, I bought, what did I buy? I bought pretty early. I bought around 24.79. So I bought around this level. As it was breaking and it broke up, I held, and then I rode it all the way up to 27. Yeah, I rode it all the way up to 27, and that was the only trade I made out of that, and I made around $2,000 on it. And then it was a good pre-market trade, and then I got into BSQ. Let me make sure. It was MRN, and then BLIN was also moving pre-market. So my first trade on BLIN, I bought in around 8.29. So I think it was around this level. Make sure 8.29. I think it was like right here. It looked like a false breakout to me, and I sold immediately about a 1 cent. And then I ignored it for a little bit, and then I got back into MRN, bought and sold by for 20-cent profit. And then as BLIN was trying to break, I got in at 34. So probably around, I got in at this level. I got in at 13.50, expecting for the break of 13.50. It pulled back, and did I add? Nope, I didn't add. I held through the pullback, and it found support double top, and as it pushed it pushed, and I sold all my shares on just this candle here for about a 20-cent winner, which was $200. And I bought it as it was trying to break around this area here. I bought it as it was trying to break the pre-market high, and it did break it. So I bought it at 89, and I sold at 14.11, which was like near this top right here. And I think that was about the only trade that I took on this one. OSAT. Took a trade on OSAT. Thought I was going to get a gap and go on this candle here, I think. So as soon as the market opened, I bought in at 8.96. It moved up around 9.15. I was expecting for the break of this level to continue, but it pulled back, and I got stopped out at 62 for about a 400, almost a $500 loss on just that one trade. And then I was watching it, and then it came back up, and then I bought it in around this level again, 8, but I got in a little bit early, 8.89, and then it popped through 9, and then I saw it was trying to top, but I sold a little bit too early. I sold around 912, and then I tried to get into OSAT again around the 935 area on this candle. I bought in at 35, and it was not, I was expecting for a 3-bar play on this one here, but it didn't work out, so I immediately sold. I made about 1 cent on that one. And then BSQR popped up. I missed the better move on BSQR. I saw it as it was happening, and I completely missed that move later in the day. I think around this area here, right? Pop broke 40 and then just went all the way up to 7. It was a beautiful move, and I missed it though. But I did buy in, try to get my feet wet with BSQR at 957. So it was around this area here for a high, but I bought it at 979, and then as it pulled back, I sold for about $100 loss. And then as it came back up, I bought at 80. I bought in the 80s, almost. I think I bought 2,000 shares in the 80s, and sold at 90, which I made $200 off of it. And I bought again BSQR at 99 when it was around, oh yeah, I bought it around this level here for the break of 6. It broke 6, and I sold all my shares, and that was my last trade for the day. I saw this consolidation, and I saw this break as it was about to break high, but I didn't take it. I told myself I wanted to take it, but I did not. So as you can see, it did a very nice continuation after that, and pull back, but and just can't, yeah, it continued higher. So overall today was a pretty good day. Made about $2,804, but after commissions I'm only keeping $2,635. So tomorrow my account should be up pretty decently, about $9,000 in profits. I mean, my account should be up at $9,000 basically. So that will give me more buying power. My account is at 6,387. When you add 2,600 to it, it should be around $9,000 tomorrow. So that gives me a lot more buying power, and that is a good thing, because once I start seeing good setups, I am going to average up in regards to my shares. So around 1,000 to 2,000 to get me started with, and when I have a comfortable cushion, I will eventually add more shares in regards to buying. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.